Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is actually going to be a Dollar Tree haul. I noticed you guys love the Dollar Tree hauls. You show so much support to them. So guess what? I'm here to bring you one, and y'all, I can't believe it. They already have fall stuff out. Like, what is it? June? About to go into July. Fall things are already hitting, and of course I picked something up, so I want to show you the first item I got for fall. This is the first item I got for fall, and this is the main fall thing they have out right now. They don't have too much other things out yet, but they got the fall harvest, all that going up. I'm like, it's just a matter of time. Within the next week or two, full out fall is going to be out. But I went ahead and picked up this arrangement. I chose the colors myself. I got first dibs. Nobody was picking out none of the fall flowers because no one's in the fall mood yet, but I know better. I went ahead and got my arrangement early. I thought this was really pretty, and I'm actually going to have this set up probably in here when I replace those ones from the summertime, or I might just put this in my kitchen. I don't know yet. I just love these little arrangement of flowers from the Dollar Tree. They're really pretty. I might go back and get another one so I can have one in here and then one in there. And I might go back and get 4 sets because I have 4 places where I have flowers, and I'm going to have to change them out for the season. So I might want to go back and get more of these so I can make more arrangements. But I thought these were really pretty. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different bundles. So I thought that was really cute. And to go in it, I went ahead and got this little vase. I think this was really cute for fall. So I can just put them down in this vase like this. So this is really pretty. So yeah, I'm going to go back tomorrow, get some more of the fall flowers before everyone starts, hinting and thinking, hey, fall is going to be around the corner. So I'm going to get mine first. I already have them and I'm prepared early. So yeah, this is the item for fall that's out right now that I picked up. I did find some laundry detergent, the Fab Spring Magic. Everyone was talking about it, saying it smelled good. So I got this for me and Kenny's clothes because the kids, again, use Dreft. But that smells so good. That reminds me back home in Buffalo for some reason. It smells really good. So I do like the smell of it. Does it work? I don't know yet, but I will be finding out. Again, this is like supposed to be more of, I guess, like a drugstore brand or something like that. I don't know, but at the Dollar Tree, it's only $1. Speaking with cleaning products, I did pick up 2 more of my Comet Classic Home Cleaners. Live for them. Gotta have Comet in my life. I love the bleach kitchen bleaches. I don't even know what that means. Okay, I like the kitchen cleaners. So I picked up a kitchen cleaner, and I already have a bathroom foaming cleanser. So this one I'm going to use for the kids' bathroom, and I'm going to put this under the kitchen sink for the kitchen. I did pick up another Glade spray. This is the Lavender and Peach Blossom. If you guys can see here, look at this. It smells amazing. I think you can get them at Walmart for 98 cents, but so what? So what? I was already at the Dollar Tree, so I went ahead and got it, and it smells really good. I found this. This is pretty cool. This is a silicone scrubber, and this is in one of the bright colors. They just brought out the bright, so this is new, the brights, and basically you can clean dishes with it if you want. But makeup junkies decided to use this to clean their makeup brushes, and this does work. I have a different one and I use it for my makeup brushes, so I decided to get this pretty colored one. And basically you just put it in the sink, and then you use your brush cleanser, and it cleans your bristles of your brushes. So if you can find this at the Dollar Tree to clean your brushes, definitely get it. That's all the cleaning supplies. I got one food item, the Weiler's Authentic Italian Ices. I got berry and cherry mix. My kids absolutely love these, so I do pick them up. They're only 60 calories per bar, and it's fat-free and gluten-free, so my kids love them. I got Gracie some new lip balms because she loves lip balms. These are the Troll lip balms. I haven't seen these before, so these were brand new that were put out. So I was so happy I was able to scoop up one for another toothbrush because I was sick, and because I got sick, you're supposed to throw away your toothbrush after you feel better. So after 2 days you're supposed to get a new toothbrush. So I went ahead and got me one from Reach. It has a firm bristle, and it comes with a cap. The biggest deal for me, and I've seen these multiple times and have never, when I say never, I've never picked these up, but I've seen them at multiple Dollar Trees. But then I looked at the value and I noticed that it was sulfate free, so I had to get some. This is the Speeds, one and only Speed Style sulfate free quick blow dry shampoo. It looks like this. Focus, focus, focusing, focus. There it is. So this is what it looks like, and this normally retails for $9.99. I have 1, 2, 3. I also have 3 of the conditioners as well. They're the sulfate free quick blow dry conditioners. There's the first one, second one, and the last one. And again, these do run $9.99 a piece. Pretty packaging. I think the packaging is everything. The colors are really pretty. I believe it smells okay. I don't remember. Let me see. It doesn't smell too bad. No, it doesn't have a really bad smell. So I figured you can't have too many shampoos and conditioners, so it's great to stock up on these items. So if you do see these at your Dollar Tree, definitely pick them up. I picked up these as well. These are some iPads. These are the cooling cucumber iPads. You get 16 of them. I've got some before. I haven't used them yet, but this is great for when you do an in-home spa day. So I wanted to make sure I had some more, just in case if I really like them, because you know Dollar Tree, once some things is there, once it's gone, it's gone. So I picked up this pack of 16. Did get some PJ Masks bandages for the kids, because again, Grace is a band-aid junkie. You cannot have too many band-aids in this house, so I picked them up, and for $1 you can't beat that. The last item, Christian went crazy for this, and I had to hold him off from opening it. He even tried to open it. Is the little army troops. You remember I showed you guys the body wash in the previous video. It looks like a walkie-talkie. Well, this is the shaving kit that goes with. Look at that. There's a little kid shaving kit for when they're in the shower, or well, in the bathtub. And look at it. It's really cute. It comes with a body wash, the bath foam, and it comes with the pretend razor and the pretend thing to, you know, put your shave gel on your face, well, your shave foam on your face like you're a man. So I thought that was really cute. It's a pretend to shave. I think if you can get these as Christmas gifts for young boys. This will be an excellent gift. It's only $1. It looks kind of expensive, and you know, boys up to about the age of 6 or 7 would really enjoy this. And my store had quite a few of them, but I only picked up one. I was gonna get one for Grace, but Kenny was like, why would you want to get one for Grace? She a girl. But hey, maybe she would enjoy it. I don't know, but I only picked up one, and it was for Christian. That's it, guys. That's everything I got from the Dollar Tree. A little bit of a smaller haul this time. Again, like I said, I'm going to try to bring you at least 1 video a week. It may go up to 2. I'm thinking it's definitely going to go up to 2 videos a week, because my main focus is balling on the budget a lot of times. So I figured Dollar Tree hauls are a great way to go. So I need a favor. I need a favor from you all. Comment below some items that are at the Dollar Tree you're on the hunt for, that I can be on the hunt for as well. I go to Dollar Tree twice a week, and sometimes I don't buy anything, sometimes I buy stuff. Well, of course sometimes I buy stuff, but sometimes I don't. So definitely, what's popping right now at the Dollar Tree, let me know in the comments below so I can be looking for it. I know I find my little goodies, but it could be some goodies out there y'all know about that I don't know about, that I need to be on the lookout for. I go to about 5 different Dollar Trees I hit up, just in case if you're in the Austin area. I go to the Georgetown one. I go to the one in Round Rock, near Gaddy Land. Is now called Gaddy. They changed it to Gaddy Town or something. I go to the one that is off Lamar, like across the street from the Target. I forgot which street it's on, but I go there. Sometimes I go to the one in the plaza with the HEB off Lamar. I go there sometimes too. I go to the one in Georgetown, of course, and I think there's another one in Round Rock I go sometimes. So that's like 6. So that's the Dollar Trees that I normally hit up. So if you're in my area, those are the Dollar Trees that I hit up, okay? So definitely check them out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. Anything you've seen at the Dollar Tree you think I should be on the lookout for, let me know below. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you've been enjoying the hauls. Make sure you check out my summertime essentials video. That video means a lot to me. I put a lot of work into that video because I love hauling, but at the same time I want to educate, because it's not all about spending money, honey. So I like to educate. So definitely make sure you check out that video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.